Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. Here we have this is nice radical equation. So here we find all the roots of this equation. Here first we need to remove this square root sign, and here we use the nice exponential rule. You know about that. If we have x to the power of m to the power of n, this is equals to x to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this rule of exponents, here first we need to convert this square root or radical sign into the exponential form. So for this, we just rewrite this equation as a to the power of 6 and its whole exponent is 1 over 2, and this is 3 to the power of 6 and its whole exponent is also 1 over 2. So here, according to this exponential rule, we multiply both of these two exponents and it will becomes a to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 over 2, and from here 3 to the power of 6 is multiplied by 1 over 2. And further we have this is 2 times 3 becomes 6, and we get a cubed equals to, this is also 2 times 3 becomes 6, and we get here 3 cubed. And after little bit simplification, we convert our given sixth order equation into the cubic form. And now for this, we move the term uh, 3 cubed into the left hand side, and it will becomes a cubed minus 3 cubed is equals to 0. So here in the next step, we use the nice cubic formula to solve this problem. So you know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this cubic formula, we write the above cubic equation as in this form. So this will becomes here a minus 3 times of a square plus a times of 3 plus 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 3a plus this 3 square becomes 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of a is equals to plus 3. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here you see that this is the quadratic equation, and we solve this quadratic equation for the values of a. And we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, capital B is equals to 3, and capital C is equals to 9. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c, and we check and we find the values of a. So we have a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 9, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square becomes 9 minus 4 times of 9 divided by 2. And now here we need to focus inside the square root sign, and inside the square root sign we have 9 be the common term, so we write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we get here a is equals to minus 3 plus minus. We know that square root of 9 becomes 3 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And here you very well know about that when a negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes here iota, and we write it as square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So we have there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and a is equals to 3, b the only one real root of the given equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.